can see now that the air conditioner has been turned on, you can hear the rattling sound coming from the tensioner. Okay, so I have a Phillips screwdriver here. I'm touching the pulley. I feel the sound. I feel the vibrating sound. I can feel it with my hand. Now if I put the Phillips screwdriver in between the pulley and the part of the engine, and when I do this, I don't see the sound has stopped. Where is the screwdriver? The screwdriver is in between the pulley and the part of the engine holding it. I'm trying to separate it. Now that's rattling sound has stopped. You can hear it again. One more time. The sound stops. Okay, so that's an indication. With this test, I've confirmed that it is the pulley, the belt tensioner pulley that is making this rattling sound whenever the air conditioner is turned on. So I'm going to work on this to replace it.
Go on, come close. Go on. Go on, it's going. After you brother and go Oyibo office, they will say, this man is a good technician. This one guys, I know it in. I know.
Give me some. They say you talk.
Yeah. Huh?
The talk is a shift.
I'm doing it. Don't worry. Go on, I'm doing it. Should I video of the other year? No, go on, I'm doing it. Go on, I'm doing it. Go on. Continue, I'm doing it.
Stop talking.
Okay, sir.
Come closer. The secret is in you. You know?
So that tissue will fly.
Don't be shaking your hand.
That tissue will fly. See that tissue on the other side.
This one. Driver, just stop yourself. Okay, so right here I've replaced the tensioner and I've mounted back the power steering pump. Also put in place the serpentine belt. Everything is back in place now, so this is a good time to test work done. Okay, so just a recap. Bear in mind the tensioner has three 12mm bolts holding it in place, and on the tensioner the power steering is mounted with two bolts, two of 12mm bolts holding it in place. So that's all that I took off, and I got another tensioner. I've put it back, so now I'm going to test it to be sure that the sound, the rattling or cracking sound that was heard whenever the AC is turned on is no longer there. Okay, now the engine is up and running and the sound is okay. The sound is normal right now. The AC is not on yet, so you can see the fans aren't running. Okay, so let's turn on the AC. Let's turn on the AC and see. The ACs are on now. The fans are running. The sound is normal now. That rattling or cracking sound is no longer there. So that's that.